Good day. Welcome to King Mom's Earthing. We got us a Vevor digital ultrasonic cleaner. This is like some kind of, it's supposed to be industrial. It's pretty good. It's stainless steel. It's got a nice stainless steel lid, stainless steel sides. Kind of got nice texture to the stainless steel. It's got a heater. It's in Celsius, so you'll have to convert that to Fahrenheit if you want to know the temperature. Otherwise, you're going to burn the crap out of your little hands and the ultrasonic part. And it says admonition instead of, no, okay. But it's got a little switch on the back, so that's kind of nice little touch. Oh, it's got some nice little handholds here for you. And those are also stainless steel. And it does have a little on-off switch, so that's pretty cool. So you can leave it plugged in and just turn it off. This is a nice size unit. So let's turn it on. Let's flip it on. So you can kind of see what we have. We have the temperature in Celsius. See, here's what you want it to be. Here's what it is right now, 16 Celsius. And here's the timer. So you can say, let's go down. Let's say 48 Celsius, 46 Celsius. Turn the heater on. It's heating up. It takes about 15 minutes to get to the temperature you want. And the ultrasonic part. And this part here, I have this out in the shop. So if you have it in your house, well, here, test this out. You can kind of see that's rather annoying, but at least you know it's got some power to it. I took the carburetor that had the surging with the idle circuit, plopped it in here for a half hour, let it cook in the soup, and perfect. And nice little stainless steel lid, and it came with a basket. The only thing, the basket, you can see the holes in the basket are about 3/8 inch, so it's kind of tough for small parts, like little itty bitty parts are going to fall through, and then you have to somehow fish them out of the gooey soup. And you can see this was nice and green when I started. This is the carburetor I cleaned 4 times, and so it obviously found something in there because it turned it to kind of a murky color. But I did come up with a solution for the small parts. I got this T-ball infuser, and it's just like a little clamshell. You can put your little parts in here. It's got a little chain. I'll put a longer chain on so I can plop it in the soup, let the chain hang out, and once it's done, pull her out without getting all burnt. So you got to remember that I think like 46, 47, it's about maybe 122 Fahrenheit, something like that. Did I convert that right? So it's going to get hot, and you're going to be dipping your hands in there to grab stuff. So I tried to keep the basket a little bit. I just went right up to the line. I think that's probably where you're supposed to go, so you can still get the basket out. I actually had to use some pliers to grab it because it was mighty hot. But anyway, that was the Vevor digital ultrasonic cleaner. Actually, fantastic unit. I've used it already a couple times, and I think I'm going to hopefully get some more use out of this because I got a lot of like leaf blowers and things like that that have mucked up carburetors. Plop them in the soup, let them cook, and hopefully they'll be good as new, because sometimes the carburetor cleaner just doesn't clean all the little nooks and crannies. I think having this little T-ball infuser is going to help a lot too, because I'll be able to get some more pieces and parts in there, the little jets and stuff like that, or you got some jewelry or something you can plop in there and pull it out, But anyway, really fantastic, especially the buzzer. And if you got a dog, the dog's going to be running for cover. But like I said, the heater works great. It takes about 15 minutes to heat up to the temperature. It's like 17 right now. Actually, that's the water temperature. About 15 minutes or so. So you let it warm up, plop your items in there, and away you go. It's actually really nice. I'm thinking I should have got the bigger one. It's always go bigger, just in case. But I think that's a good size. So anyway, there you go. That's the Vevor digital ultrasonic, and it did come with a manual. Like a 1-page manual, 2-page manual, which I didn't read, of course. So anyway, there you go. I want you guys, that's you, have a great day.